In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access to your Mailchimp account efficiently and securely, whether you're collaborating with a team or simply need to give someone else partial control over your email marketing campaigns. Understanding how to manage user access is essential. So let's dive in and take you through this simple process. First, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp.com and enter your credentials. If you don't have a Mailchimp account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're already a user, let's keep moving. Once logged in, your next step is to navigate to the account settings. To do this, locate your profile icon, which you can find in the upper right hand corner of the page. Click on that icon and a drop down menu should appear. From the options provided, go ahead and select account and billing. Now that you're in the account section, it's time to manage users. Look toward the settings menu and click on users. This will direct you to the user management page where you can see everyone who currently has access to your account. To add someone new, click on invite a user. This is where you'll start the process of inviting another person to share your account. Once you're in the invite section, you'll need to enter the email address of the individual you want to include. It's crucial to ensure this email is correct, as this is where the invitation will be sent. After you've entered the email, you'll be presented with options to select a user role for the invitee. There are 4 roles to choose from. A viewer can only see reports and campaigns but cannot make any changes, which is perfect for someone who simply needs to monitor your activity. If someone needs a little more access, consider the author role, who can create and edit campaigns though they can't send them. The manager role steps it up, giving the person the ability to create, edit and send campaigns. Finally, the admin role grants full access to your account, including billing information, which is a significant responsibility and should only be given to trusted individuals. After deciding on the role, you can finalize the invitation process by clicking on Send Invite. This action will send an email invitation to the person, guiding them to access your account. It's important to communicate with the invitee, letting them know the invitation is coming, and advising them to check their spam folder if needed. They'll need to accept the invitation, which involves clicking on the link in the email and either logging into their existing Mailchimp account or creating a new one if they aren't already a user. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily and securely share access to your Mailchimp account, facilitating seamless collaboration and efficiency in managing your email campaigns.